part of our company's Be Waterwise campaign, we're going around all the towns in Wales, delivering water efficiency messages to our customers, giving them a water saving bag which gives them advice and information on how to be water efficient in the home and garden. Also included in the bag is a hippo, the water saver, that they can use in an old toilet cistern. Well, using water wisely is one of the everyday activities we can all do to help combat the effects of climate change. And despite recent weather, Wales isn't immune from the threat of future water shortages, and we all have an important part to play. And our message to our customers is use as much drinking water as you need, but please don't waste it. So some of my top tips for saving water: turn the tap off while you're brushing your teeth. If you have an old cistern in your property, you can have a free hippo, the water saver, and by installing one you can save between 2 to 3 litres of water every time you flush. You can purchase a water butt and collect the rainwater, which you can use on the garden and for your plants. And Welsh Water is running a buy one water butt and get the other half price, so why not take advantage of that offer? And also showering, why not switch to a 4-minute shower? Not only will you save water, you'll save energy, and it also gives you extra time to do the things that you enjoy.